Good day, everybody. This is Michael Levitis from JurisQ.com, where we answer frequently asked questions about the law with our participating attorneys. Today, we welcome back Herbert Warrens, a personal injury attorney from the state of New Jersey, and we're going to talk about everything that's involved, the basics of getting compensation and getting proper treatment for your injuries sustained in a car accident in New Jersey. Herbert, first of all, thank you again for participating. We had you on last time. We talked about what is a serious injury. In other words, if you just get a nick or a little cut in an accident, that's not considered serious enough to get compensation. So we talked about it last week's video. What is a serious injury to get compensation? If you want to go back and look at those prior videos. Right now, I want to talk about the treatment itself. Who pays for that treatment? Because from what I understand, your medical insurance, or even if you have Medicaid, some kind of a benefit, Medicare, that does not cover treatment for injuries sustained in a car accident. Herbert, how do you get treatment and who pays for that?
Well, normally when you purchase insurance in New Jersey, you're offered something known as PIP. That stands for Personal Injury Protection.
Okay.
And there are different, as in most insurances, there are different levels of protection. The wisest thing to do is to choose a very high level. Generally speaking, 250,000 is an adequate level generally. But you have to opt for that. You don't get it automatically. Okay. Many people want to save money, and they get the lowest coverage, which is 15,000.
15.
Unfortunately, it's a false savings, because if they have to use that coverage, treatment is much more expensive these days than 15,000.
So I just want to clarify. I want to clarify, Herbert. If somebody gets into a car accident and they bought the lowest form of insurance, which is only $15,000, and they get fractured, let's say a broken arm or leg in a car accident, only the first 15,000 will be covered, right?
That's correct. After that,
yeah,
you have to have a doctor who will rely on us collecting from the insurance company by way of suit, and it would be a lien on your case. So if you collect above the 15,000, let's just for an example, let's say you get $100,000 verdict, but you only had 15,000 in PIP, and your bills amounted to over $100,000, you could conceivably get nothing because your bills would eat up the difference. So it's a much better idea when you're purchasing insurance to get a higher level of coverage.
Very good. Okay, valid, very valid, valuable advice. Herbert, this is why we turn to you for these types of matters, to educate us on what is happening in the arena of personal injury law in the state of New Jersey. Thank you again for your time. And we're going to come back to you with a few more questions on personal injury in New Jersey. We're going to talk about if you get hurt as a pedestrian, what happens then? How can you get compensated? We're going to talk about if your car gets damaged in a car accident, how do you get compensation for your car damages, and much more. Please follow us on YouTube, on Herbert Warrens' website. The phone number of Herbert Warrens is in the bottom of the screen. All we're doing here is just educating, giving general advice. If you want specific advice on your case, on your injury, call the phone number on the bottom of the screen. Thank you, Herbert. I appreciate your time. Until next time.